Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make a vlog thumbnail on your phone. So if you want to create an eye-catching thumbnails for your vlogs, you can just follow this step-by-step tutorial on how you can design an amazing vlog thumbnail that will grab attentions and boost clicks. So here I'm going to use the PicsArt applications to create the thumbnail. You can just first download the PicsArt if you haven't have the app. You can just find it on the Play Store or App Store, and you can just download and install it on your phone. Now after you install it, just open the application, and in here just click on the plus icon at the bottom. And now you can just scroll down until you find the background. So here I'm going to just use a white backgrounds, and now you can click on tools at the bottom and click on crop and change the size of the canvas into 16 by 9 or landscape, just like this, just like a YouTube video. Hit on the check icon at the top, and now you can just swipe until you find the add photo options. So you can just add photos like some footages from your vlogs. You can just add it into the canvas in here, and you can just place it to how you like it. Okay, I'm going to crop some of them. Into just this one. Okay, you can place it to how you like it. I'm going to delete this one and adjust the position. Okay, so I've already placed the pictures just like this. Now you can use some erasers in here. At the top you can erase. Okay, let's skip that part. You can just click on a check icon, and now you can add tags into this design. Find tags options, and then just write the tags for your thumbnail. Like this. You can change the color. Please do select the colors that will catch attention of the viewer. So I'm going to choose yellow, and here I'm going to add some shadow to the text. You can also change the font to how you like it, but make sure that the font is clearly visible on the thumbnail. Okay, I'm going to use this one. You can adjust the positions to how you like it. Oops. Okay, I'm going to just use this tags. Let's add another tags in here. You can add another tags here and put it in anywhere you like it. Don't forget to choose the same font as you used it before. Okay, so this is it. You can just click on a check icon at the top and then save it by clicking on this arrow down. And you can just make it as a thumbnail for your vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.